So on Friday the 18th of October I was at Magiscroft and Greenfoot because, well, I wanted to see some of the freight there. And there was two Class 37s coming up to go and pull the rail tour that was happening on the 19th. And my first catch of the day was 437L, the early 1151 turned up at 1139, DB Cargo, service to Grangemouth, TDG, EWS, some T's Docks, BSC export berth. So I took a couple of pictures of this train and I believe it to be 66608. However, first off, I don't even know if that number exists because from the look of my photo, it looked to be 6608. So I don't really know what's up with that. However, here's the train. Then this was 2C26, the 1157 ScotRail service to Cumbernauld from Mulgai with 318268. Then this was 2J77, the 1159 ScotRail service Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh with 385118. Then we decided to move down to Greenfoot level crossing because the other one just wasn't really cutting it today because a lot of the trains came from Edinburgh. And our next train was 2F29, the 1224 ScotRail service to Dalmuir from Cumbernauld with 318266. Then this was 2J79, the 1230 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh with 385121. Then this was 2J82, the 1246 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street with 385118. Then this was 2C30, the 1257 ScotRail service to Cumbernauld from Mulgai with 318263. Then this was 65-4V, the heavily delayed 1252, turned up at 1316, Coles Rail Freight, service to Grangemouth Ineos from Dalston Oil Terminal, with 7815 doing the service. Then this was 2J83, the 1333 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh with 318117. Then this was 2J86, the 1349 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street with 385117. So some problems in the editing room. I genuinely do not know what this train is. I don't know what happened. I might have messed up my times or something, or missed that train beforehand. However, all I know is it was probably running a service from Mulgai to Cumbernauld, and was 318259. And whilst the 237 sat in the siding awaiting their clearance, here came 2J88, the 1417 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street with 385116. Then here she came under 5Z59, the 1422 West Coast Railway service to Bowness Junction Exchange SDG from Carnforth Steamtown with 37518 and 37516, and a Jenny van doing the service. And then whilst she grumbled away, here came 2F37, the 1424 ScotRail service to Dalmuir from Cumbernauld with 318269. And then my final catch at Greenfoot was 058Y, the 1423 DB Cargo serves the Grangemouth TDG EWS from Moss End Down Yard with 66207 doing the service.
Signal. Please wait.